Afternoon everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. It's an absolutely glorious day today, 1st of December. So I've literally just come up to the plot to do the walk around video for pretty much the end of year, and then I'm going to go home. So let's turn the camera around and show you just what the condition of the plot is. So I think that kind of tells you all you need to know. I've not been up here for nearly a fortnight to do any work. Came up here last week just to grab some veg for dinner, but other than that, nothing, because I've totally screwed up my back, and yeah, too much pain to be able to do anything. So this is literally a view around to show you how the plot's looking since last video. There have been changes, but not really with me doing the work. So first bed, tidy. Certainly it's weed free, not leveled, but it's weed free. The wind has obviously done all of this. When I turned up earlier, this fabric is all pulled up, so is what it is. The border definitely needs some TLC to it. The leeks are looking good. At some point I will come through and tidy those up a bit, but there's certainly plenty there. They're now looking a bit weather beaten in terms of being slightly sideways, but they're good to go. Foxgloves looking nice. Still a bit of flower on the calendula, which is rather amazing. There are some chrysanthemums that still need lifting, but that's not for today. So within this bed, got the garlic. Trying to think what type of garlic it is. Is it the hardnecks? No, softneck garlics. So softneck garlics are all in here. Still a bit of a mixed bag as to what's come up and what hasn't. Fennel, looking rather weather beaten. Celery. Forgot about these. There's carrots amongst here. I doubt they've done very much. A bit of weeds, that's for sure. Plenty of beetroots amongst there, which be all right. We have had some of the celery from there. The Taunton Dean kale look good, putting on some size now. The only things that have come out of down here are some of the dahlias. I've not even lifted the gladioli there. Oh yeah, there's some there. There's a few dotted here and there. Barring that one leaf, all the rest of the rhubarb has died back. It's all been mulched over. Blackcurrant been cut back as per a previous YouTube video that I've done, and some cuttings taken. These are the new garlics that I've bought, and you can see that they're all sprouting quite nicely. So it's interesting that they've all come up, and yet my hardneck, softneck types haven't really. More celery there. Let me come around this side. Parsnips, so I started pulling a few from there, and they were really big. If you have a look on the community post type bit on the channel, you'll see the size of some of the parsnips that I dug out, which was a bit interesting really, because this bed here, it's the highest bed on the plot in terms of, well, it's at the top of the slope. It sits the driest always. And so I was envisaging that when I dug up the parsnips, there'd be quite short, stubby things. But actually, what's happened is that they've realised that it's dry in this bit, and they've gone down and down into the clay below. So they were over 15 inches long, which was really quite impressive. So yeah, they've been good. Had the first celeriac as well, which was good. Probably not as flavoursome as would have hoped, but that might have been lifting before we had loads of the hard frost. Lots of leeks have come out of this bed. Just leaves the Welsh onions in there. Gooseberry, that's had another clip back just to tidy that up. You can see all the stuff on there. Horseradish still needs planting. I'll do it one day. Artichoke, well, as I say, 1st of December. Looking how that's going. Probably need to cover around the neck of the carrot. Noticeable thing within here is that everything is gone. Didn't want to risk the cold and frost getting here and ruining the crops that we had stored, so they've gone. But what I have noticed today is there's a rat hole, so that will need patching up at some point. Dahlias are gone from the whole plot. The boys begrudgingly helped get them out and back home. Got one watermelon still sitting here, and all the chilies barring one plant have gone from there. Let's get this open. I won't be too long in here because of the wind, but still carrots in here. Whether they amount to much, I don't know. Got Midas, which I'd left in to try and ripen, but as you can see, the plant's totally frosted, so that is not going to ripen anymore. So yeah, shame, but it's the way it is. Let's get this closed down. Shallots sprouting quite nicely. Look at the size of these. Christ. These are the shoots of elephant garlic, which is this block here. Then got the giant Russian garlic, walking Egyptian onions, and then the hardneck garlics. Starting to get particularly wet up here, so all the chard, perpetual spinach, nasturtiums are looking, well, pretty amazing now. Totally gone. This is all the onions through to here, and then I planted some more elephant garlic because obviously that's what you do when you've got loads of garlic. I've also planted within here some sand leeks and Babington leek as well, so they're all into there. This bed still needs a weed, but it's just not going to happen whilst my back's as it is. The Kale Cavolo Nero, there's beetroots amongst there, shallots amongst there, there's the Romanesco cauliflowers, chard, Offenheim cabbage, more beetroot, more leeks, celery, more leeks, dahlias come out of there, shallots there, and then all of that is still the Jerusalem artichoke. And really, that's what it looks like on this rather bleak day. I'm going to head home now, and I'll show you what's happening at home. Okay, so I'm back home. Thought I'd show you the mess that is the garage and how I really haven't progressed too far. Dahlia tubers, those 3 crates there. Some beetroot already stored. More dahlias. So that's Mary's germander in there. Another few lots of dahlias there. Butternut squash. Queensland squash. All the garlic there. Onions all there. Let's go to the greenhouse. Right, greenhouse. Got some elephant garlic corms on the go. Dahlia imperialis there. Some Spanish onions trying at the moment, slow germination at the moment. You can see they're just taking forever, for ages. Bulgarian giant leeks, giant onions, calce onions, the dahlia tubers that I've already started. So this is heat mat here. Ginger that I've harvested, got to replant. Then lemongrass has come in here, the lemon, some chili peppers, and then these are all the pot tuber dahlias. So there's quite a few varieties, and then the oleander. And that's where I'm at the moment. So that's it, that's where I'm at, 1st of December. Hopefully my back will improve pretty soon, touch wood, and I'll be able to do the finishing off, getting the allotment put to bed, so to speak, for the winter. But if I can't, I can't, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, video done. If you've got any questions, then send the questions to me. I'll do my best as always to answer those questions for you. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I do. And above all, enjoy yourself, have fun, and use the time to prepare for next year. So till next time, bye for now.